Karma Guy here. Don't miss out on this extremely rare 2012 BMW 3 Series 328i with a 6-speed manual transmission. It drives like a dream and shifts smooth and strong, a true gem for enthusiasts. This BMW comes with dealer service history and recent maintenance valued at over $525, including spark plugs, a pre-delivery inspection, and a fresh oil and filter change. It's dealer certified pre-owned, backed by a 3-month or 3,000-mile quality plus warranty. For added peace of mind, ask about our discounted 5-year maintenance plan or upgrade to a lifetime warranty at the time of sale. Transparency is key. Request a recent computer scan. We've included a scan in our photos showing all 8 monitors completed, no trouble codes, and a clean bill of health. With no dash warning lights and up-to-date Georgia emissions, this vehicle is ready to roll. Remember, price reductions void CPO status and warranty benefits, but discounted upgrades are available. Don't compromise, because the bitterness of poor quality remains long after the sweetness of low price is forgotten. Test drive this rare 2012 BMW 328i today.